Some of you ask me, teacher, can show me how you read a Bazi chart. I'm going to show you how I read a Bazi chart properly. When you get this chart, it's the whole life chart. When you buy this chart, you will see all these colorful things, right? So I'm going to show you how I read this chart, male or female. This is the English date of birth. Check the year, the month, the day, and the time correct or not. You scroll down, you will see 星期六. That means this is the day that you're born on a Saturday. Okay? 健身 means men. 瑞生 means women. First, when I start reading, I will come to here. Look at the 8 character. This is called the year, month, the day. Then this is the hour. Then when you look at the chart, you must know these are called Ming. Ming in English is called goodie bag. Means what is in your life. For example, I got a PhD, I got a handicap, I got accident, I got bankruptcy, whatever. It's all in this goodie bag. Now, not everybody have the same goodie bag. Then, when you scroll down, these are the luck cycle. Every 10 years, you will move to a different luck cycle. Okay? This luck cycle is called when. For example, if you have a PhD in your goodie bag, this will inform me when. Teacher, I got a $1 million jackpot in the goodie bag. Then it will tell me when. Is it when you're 7 years old, 77 years old, 37 years old? You got a 1 million jackpot, and then congratulations. So this is the basic concept. The next thing you must know is, when you look at the Bazi chart, the Ming is structured like that. These are the leaves. This is the tree trunk. These are called the roots. Why ancestor design like that? Because ancestors say the whole universe is made up of 5 elements: water, wood, fire, earth, matter. If lack of any element, the universe cannot function properly. So life destiny also same. If lack of certain element, the life also cannot function properly. So in the Ming, if there's lacking, right, doesn't matter what, the yun will come. The luck cycle will bring in the missing element. But good or bad, that's a different story. I never say bring in means good. I didn't say that. Within the 5 elements, they have relationship, like counter or growth or exhaustion. Counter is called ke, right? Growth is called xiang shen, right? Exhaustion is called xie, right? And so on. So, and among the 5 elements, ancestors say the whole universe is also made up of yin and yang. Like the whole universe. If all men or women, the universe will die also. So this is a concept. You must get it right first. If not, you will not know how to read a Bazi chart.